Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another PlayStation tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to give you all my list of things that I recommend you never do to your PlayStation. I hope you find this video useful or interesting, and if you do, remember to gently press the like button. So starting off with number one, don't clean your game discs in a circular motion, especially with a t-shirt or a paper towel. You want to clean from the center of the disc to the outer rim using gentle, straight motions with a dry microfiber towel. This technique will minimize the risk of damage or scratching to your game discs. Tip number two is to never sell or give away your PlayStation without doing a full system initialization. With the PlayStation 5 coming out this year, a lot of you will probably be selling your consoles. So before you do, make sure to deactivate your PS4 and do a full system initialization, which will delete all your games and personal information from the hard drive. Number three is changing your PSN ID. Now, I'm sure many of you have already done this, but for those of you who don't know, changing your PSN ID can actually cause compatibility issues with some older PlayStation games. So if you're someone who still enjoys playing any PS3 titles, you might want to think twice before making the change. Number four is to never keep your PlayStation in tight spaces. Media cabinets especially are breeding grounds for dust and poor airflow, which over time could damage the system. So make sure there is always plenty of room behind your PlayStation and that the surrounding area stays clean of dust and debris. And last, but certainly not least, number five is not having a PlayStation Plus membership. And I'm putting this on the list because one of the key features of PS Plus is cloud backup for your save files. God forbid if something bad ever happens to your console or hard drive, you wouldn't want to lose all of your saves. So make sure you back them up or at least use an external hard drive. But there you guys have it. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it useful or interesting. And if you did, make sure to tap the like button with your finger, comment below to let me know what you think. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.